Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm explaining to you today the wears and tears of my beautiful pink Birkin bag dupe. Now this Birkin bag dupe is such a beautiful color, pink in gold hardware. This is size 30 and I've decided to get one that is in pink because honestly when I saw it in the shop it was so beautiful. I had to get it, plus it was such a good deal. I don't know if the shop, unfortunately the shop doesn't have this one anymore. It's called Bag Cravings. It's in it's in an orange shop, of course. It's in Shopee and I love it. And it was such a, I was like so happy that I got it in this color because this did not repeat in any other shops, because this is just like a different kind of level. Plus it doesn't have the logos of the Hermes shop here, so it's not really a problem when I bring it out. It's not an issue. Plus this is PU leather, so in PU leather it's not as like good at the wear and tear compared to like real leather, but for me it's actually good enough, especially with the things that I bring inside it, which is actually put compact, the latest receipt, because I did use this today, and I got like one, luckily just one lip balm, and then of course an eco bag. This one really packs a lot, and of course my card and wallet. I guess this is my general wallet because I barely use bigger wallets anymore. And then of course my earbuds, just gifted to me. I love this. It's the Bumblebee earbuds. I'll try to link it down below as well. And then of course this one, a clamp. It's a metal clamp because my hair is like super thick and I like it long right now, so I really need a really good sturdy clamp. Plus I have a daughter that's on her 2-year-old stage and she really likes to play around with a lot of my clips, and a lot of my plastic clamps are already destroyed. So this one is of course my keys, and that's pretty it, and a couple of coins. So that's the bag. It's just a black hole itself, and I actually took out the organizers because I'm preparing to use it on my other bag, so I might get another organizer for this one, a lighter color, because it will be easier to bring and to sort out the stuff. But on its own, it's pretty much a light bag compared to the other bags that are, you know, real leather, because they are heavier, especially in a size 30. But this one is PU leather and it's light. And then when I put the stuff, that's the weight that's going to come in only. So it's kind of easy to bring on an everyday errand, or when you're going out for like the whole day, you have a couple of stuff in here, it's not a problem. So I could really use this. The only thing is I tend to not use this right now, recently, when I'm with my kid or when I'm with my baby girl, because she tends to, you know, want me to carry her, and then she's going to kick my bag and I'll be so sad. Or I'm using it as a handheld bag or like a top handle, and it's gonna be harder for me to, you know, bring her or carry her when she wants to and then hold my beautiful bag. So I tend to stop it there. But when pairing with any outfit, I tend to not put it with every outfit, but of course with gray, it's a classic, it's beautiful. With of course white, blacks, any neutrals, even browns, this one is beautiful. I did this it's like one of my top color for fall season as an outfit. It's beautiful. It's like a nice bright color on all your kind of warm earthy tones. I love it with that. Plus this is actually also beautiful with white shirt or white top and then blue jeans. This is a nice classic pop of color. Plus it kind of feminine, it kind of adds a femininity to your kind of boyish or like relaxed look, and this one is so elegant to it. Plus the bubble pink, I wouldn't say bubblegum pink. I think it was a Barbie pink for me. I think this is my Barbie bag, and I would say it's such a beautiful color. It adds so much to your attire on its own. It's that much of a, it's not flashy too much because of the color, but it is going to be something that people would notice. So I can honestly say this is a best buy from Bag Cravings. I was hoping that they could add more of the selection, but they kind of, you know, got out of stock, or I think it was too expensive for them to purchase and they didn't repurchase anymore. But yeah, it was so sad, but I was so happy with this. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.